5, 4, 3,
2, 1.
Everybody, good morning.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning. How are you today?
I'm good. Thank you. And you?
I am very good. Thank you. Hello. How are you?
Hello.
How are you? I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. Very good. If you are ready, you clap your hands. If you are ready, you clap your hands. If you are ready, clap your hands louder. If you are ready, clap your hands. All right. Hello, welcome to our mathematics class. Welcome to mathematics class. Are you ready to study with teacher? Yes or no? Yes. Yes or no? Yes. Very good. Before we start, teacher will check your name first. Teacher will check your name first. When you come, you call present like this. Okay. Present. Okay. Hello. All right. Teacher will start now. When you come, you call present, right? Yes. 3, 2, 1. Count out.
Present.
Very good. Campaign.
Present.
Good job. Leo.
Present.
Present. Good job. Teshin.
Teacher. Present.
Thank you. Pa.
Present.
Very good. TJ.
Present.
Best. Best. Present. Okay. Mai Bua.
Yo.
Mai Bua absent, right? Mai B.
Yeah.
Mai B.
Present. Present.
Okay. Pet.
Present.
Very good. Cow.
Present.
One. Okay.
Lại là.
Okay.
เปิดไม่ออกใช่ไหม Present ไม่น่ากิน
Chat.
มาน้องค่ะ
Shirtam. 1, 2, 3. All right. Hongte.
Present.
Very good. Fly.
Present.
Mook.
Present.
Auto.
Present. อะไร
เล่นอะไรกับลูก
ได้รอพี่เชอร์เข้าการสอนเนี่ย
กระต่าย
พี่เชอร์จะทำ Present
วิชาอังกฤษอะไรพี่จิมาเร็ว
ฮะ
อังกฤษอะไร
โบนัส
แต้ม Present
สมุดอ่ะ
นี่ Present
Right.
เจอเมื่อกี้เชอร์แต้ม Present
Shirtam present. Right.
คำว่า present แปลว่าอะไร
น่าจะเหมือนกับ รับรู้อะไรอย่างนี้ไหมอ่ะ
present
ใช่ไหม
ไม่ใช่ present นะ present
Right. Olin.
present
C.
present
Kim Cream.
present
Noah.
บ้านเราไฟดับ
Tonight.
ต้องใช้หน้าจอ
Tonight. Shasha.
present
Okay. Kita.
ที่ชอบปิ่น present
Okay. Pin present. Very good. Om. On off.
Present teacher.
Okay M
จ้ะ
L
ก้างปลานี้กินได้ใช่ไหม
Holly
ก้างปลานี้กินได้ใช่ไหม
น้ำปั่น
Present
มังกร
Present
โอเค อิงฟ้า
หมด
ฟัง alright อ่ะ okay 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 everybody are you ready oh yes are you ready
ดูโทรทัศน์ไหม
yes อ่ะ alright
ไม่ใช่
teacher say one more time today we will study this book today we will study this book right all right and then right now set the book to a side set the book to a side
สัตว์
all right are you ready oh yes are you ready oh yes started go 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 let's get started go 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 oh go 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 today oh sorry moment please just a moment please
ให้สองเพลง
mm-hmm. Just a
เรีย
moment
กคนน้ำหน่อยได้ไหม Teacher
okay teacher be right back hello
Hello
okay teacher is here can you see teacher right wait a minute please teacher fine wait a minute please
จะเป็นอะไรแกะให้หน่อยไหนไม่เห็นเลยแกะให้หน่อยใครอ่ะใครอ่ะเอาให้อ่ะใครอ่ะสีฟ้าแกะให้หน่อยทำมาแกะได้ตายอ่ะ
okay
ปากข้าวกินอะไรอ่ะแซมกินข้าวดิยังไม่ได้กินข้าวอีกเหรอโจไหมล่ะกินข้าวว่าเราอีกยังไม่ได้กินข้าวเลย
hello hello
เพิ่งได้กินข้าวเนี่ย
can you see the screen yes or no
yes
เอาไว้วางมือถือก่อน
can you see the screen
ของไร้ประโยชน์พอลลี่อยู่คนเดียว
very good all right let's get started go 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 go
ฟ้าตอนเที่ยงโทรมาหาเพื่อนหน่อยได้ไหม
good 5 4 3 2 1 today we will study about addition and subtraction of fraction. So before we go, do you know what fraction is? Do you know what fraction is? Do you know what fraction is? Do you know this one? Yes or no? No, right? Right now we will study it together. Go. So teacher will show you these the example of a fraction. This one, if you see the number like this, we call it as a fraction. All right, we call it as a fraction. So if you see the number like this, how can we call this number? How can we call this number? Do you know that? Do you know that? How can we call this number? Hello? We can read this number as 6 over 10. We can read the number one by one, like 6 over, everybody say together, 3, 2, 1, 6 over 10. 6 over 10, right? So how about this number? How can we read this number? 4 over
5.
Very good. How can we read this number? 2
15.
15. Very good. 2 over 15. Good job. So these are fraction. These are fraction, right? So how do we know the fraction is? How do we know the fraction is? So let's see this one. We will have teacher, we will sing a song together. First of all, listen to the teacher first. Listen to the teacher first. 3, 2, 1. Oh, my fraction has 2 numbers. Up is numerator. Up, up, numerator. Down is denominator. Down, down, denominator. My fraction has 2 numbers. Yes, before we go, see this one. This one, what can we read? We can read as numerator. Everybody say together. 3, 2, 1. Numerator. Numerator. Very good. Numerator. Numerator. Very good. And this one, it is denominator. Denominator. Very good. Go faster. Denominator. 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 Very good. Right now. 3, 2, 1. Oh, my fraction has 2 numbers. Up is numerator. Up, up.
One more time.
Up,
One more
up.
time.
Numerator. Down is denominator. Down, down, denominator. My fraction has 2 numbers. Yes.
One more time.
4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, my fraction has 2 numbers. Wait. 3, 2, 1. Oh, my fraction has 2 numbers. Up is. Wait. Up is. Numerator. Up, up.
Numerator.
Down is denominator. Down, down. My fraction has 2 numbers. All right. So, how many numbers do the fraction have? Fraction has numbers. Fraction has 2. Very good. My fraction has. All right. 6 over 10. How about this one? How can we read this one? 3, 2, 1. 2 over 4. Very good. How about this one? How can we read this one?
4.
4 over 8. How can we read this one?
7.
7 11. Very good. How about this one?
6.
6 over 10. Very good. 6 over 10. So right here. What is this one? How can we read this number?
3.
4. So up is
Numerator.
numerator.
Denominator.
Denominator. Oh, my fraction has 2 numbers. Up is
Numerator.
numerator.
Numerator. Numerator. November.
Fraction has 2 numbers. Right. So look at 2 of these fractions. Look at 2 of these fractions. Do you see these 2 fractions? They have the same denominator, right? If when you see the fraction and then they have and they have the same denominator, we can call it as a common denominator. One more time. When you see the fraction and the denominator of 2 fractions, they are the same, which means we call it as a common denominator. 3, 2, 1. Common denominator. 3, 2, 1. Common denominator. So look at this fraction. This fraction common denominator, yes or no? This fraction has common denominator, yes or no? No, because the common denominator means the denominator, they are the same. So look at this one. These fractions, they have a common denominator, yes or no? Yes, because it is 4 over 15 and 2 over 15. Very good. So next step, we will study about addition of fraction. Addition of fraction. So what is addition? It is plus, right? Addition, plus, addition, plus. Very good. So, 8 plus 3 over 8. So next step, how can we do? So look at this one. We have to listen. We have to focus on the denominator. Focus on the denominator. And if they have a common denominator, which means we will set the common denominator and we have to plus only the numerator. Plus only numerator. We do not plus the denominator. We plus only the numerator. So this question, the answer is 4 over 8. 4 over 8 because we do not plus the denominator. But we have to find out we have to find out the common denominator first, right? When they have the common denominator, we do not plus the denominator. We just plus the numerator. The answer of this question is 4/8. Next. Okay. Over 8. Next example. So could you please read it for teacher, please? 3, 2, 1. Read for teacher, please. 3, 2, 1. 8 over 25 plus 25. So do you know what is the answer of this question? How can we do? This question, they have a common denominator, yes or no? Yes. If they have the common denominator, which means we plus with the numerator. So what is the answer of this question? It is 8 plus 4 equal to 8. 8 plus 4 equal to 8 plus 4 equal to
12.
The answer of this question is 12 over
25.
Very good. So, this one, 3, 2, 1, like this. Right now, let's try. Right now, let's try this. Just a moment, please.
อันเดียวเนี่ยเปรี้ยวจืดมากเลยตั้งเลยมันหน้าเปล่าวะ
Right now, let's try this.
ตัวอะไรไม่รู้บินไปบินมามาแล้ว
All right. Oh, what is this? Just a moment, please.
คอยกันขอแรกกดเสียงไงพี่คงจะรับงานให้เราไปเลยเลื่อนก็ตัดเช่นเป็นอะไรเลื่อนลงกันสีทองเลยเหรอเราไม่ใช่มีลายฟ้าแล้วสาวะลายฟ้าไปไหนไม่รู้เดี๋ยวโทรไปได้แต่เพื่อนกี่โมงแล้วอ่ะเหลืออีกคาบหนึ่งไหมอ่ะเดี๋ยวอีกคาบหนึ่งแล้วก็พักเที่ยง
Okay. Listen to the teacher. Listen to the teacher. Let's try this. 1/10 plus 2/10 equal to
3
over
3
over
3
3 over
20
10. Very good. 3 over 10. Next, teacher have 3/8 plus 2/8.
5/8. 5
over
5 over
5
5 over 8. Very good. Next, 5 over 10 plus 4 over
9 upper 10.
9 over 10. 9
over
over 10.
10.
10.
So, next step, we will do the subtraction of fraction, right? So, what is subtraction? Subtraction is subtraction, minus, subtraction, minus. Minus. When we minus, they are the same, which means we have to find out the common denominator first. If they have the common denominator, which means we can minus only the numerator. When we have a common denominator, just set it aside. And then we will focus on the numerator and minus. Right now, teacher have 13 over 5 minus 4 over 5. The answer is okay. 5 over 7 minus 2 over 7 is 3 over
7.
7.
Is it easy, everybody?
Easy.
Is it easy?
Easy.
Easy. All right. Now let's practice. Let's try this. Number 1. 2 over 9 plus 3 over 9.
5 over 9.
5 over 9.
9.
Good. This one. 5 over 10 plus 1 over 10 equal to
6 over 10.
10. Very good. 9 over 12 minus 2 over 12 equal to
7
12.
10 over 12. 3 over 7 minus 1 over 7
2 over 7.
over
7.
Very good. Right, now exercise time. Open the book to the page number 33. Open the book to the page number 33. 33. All right. Open the book to the page number 33. Okay, exercise 5.1. Fill the correct answer in the blanks. You have to find out the correct answer and fill it in the blank. All right. Teacher, we will do it together with number 1. Number 1. 10 over 12 plus 1 over 12 equal to 11.
11.
All right. Number 2 to number 10. Do it by
yourself.
Teacher give 5 minutes. 5 minutes. 3, 2, 1, go.
Go. Trees.
Oh, very good. Now wait for your friend, please.
Finish.
All right, wait for your friend, please. Oh, very good aim.
Teacher, please.
Yes, wow, good job, good job.
7 times again.
Okay.
เสร็จแล้ว Finish.
Who finish? Open to the page number 34 and 35.
โอเค teacher
Ah,
มันก็ง่ายมาก
and 35. But 34, do only part 2, right? Do part 2, 3 and 4. 2,
Yeah.
3
โอ
and
เค
4.
teacher
No. Part 1, no.
ฟ้าหน้าที่เท่าไหร่นะ หน้าที่ 34 35
34 and 35. Do part 2, 3 and 4.
โอเค teacher
Three and 4. Part 1, no, no. Part
Okay.
1, no, no. All right. Do it by
yourselfหน้า 34เหรอฟ้า
Yes.
34
And
ข้อ 2 ข้างล่างนะ 34 37 ใช่ไหม
cross or circle is okay. Up to you. Finally, wait for your book, okay? Okay.
Finish.
Very good. To finish, take a photo and send it into the line, okay? When you finish, listen. When you finish, take a photo of page 33, 34, and 35 and send it into the line. Okay, okay? Okay. Okay, okay.
Okay.
Very good. Yes, page 33, 34, and 35. Take a photo and send it into the line. Wow. Is it easy?
Easy.
Easy, right? Okay. Wait for your friends, please.
Finish, teacher.
Very who draw the screen? Who draw the screen?
What?
All right. Is it easy? Easy.
Easy.
We go. What we study today? What we study today? Today we study about frac. What do we call this one? It is frac what? Fraction.
Finish.
Fraction. Today we study.
Teacher, may I go to the toilet, please?
Today we will study about fraction.
Teacher.
Everybody said together, fraction.
Teacher, may I go to the toilet, please?
Yes, you can. Fraction. So, fraction. 6. How can we read this number? How can we read this number? 6 over 10.
10.
So, and then when we want to plus the number, when we want to plus the fraction, how can we do? How can we do? We have to find the common denominator. Common denominator and plus the numerator. All right. All right. Before we go, let's sing a song together one more time. 3, 2, 1. Oh, my fraction has 2 numbers. Up is. Hey, one more time. Oh, my fraction has 2 numbers. Up is numerator. Up
Numerator.
is denominator. Down, denominator. My fraction has 2 numbers.
Numerator.
Has 2 numbers. Up is numerator. Up, numerator. Down is denominator. Down, denominator. Then has 2
numbers.
Everybody clap your hands to yourself. Very good.
Goodbye.
Is it easy today?
Easy.
Easy. Pa, is it easy today? All right. So that's it for today. See you again.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.